answer coaching classes YouTube channel. To get latest videos, please subscribe this channel. Today I am going to explain you the workshop of a synopsis, the Swiss Family Robinson.
Unit 1.2 A Synopsis, the Swiss Family Robinson by John Weiss. Standard 9th from Kumar Bharati textbook. See the workshop. Question 1. Two separate words combine together to make a new word with a different meaning. They form compound words. Using a dictionary, find the meaning of the following compound word. Armloads. Armload means the amount that can be carried in one arm or both the arms. It's called armloads. Driftwood. Answer. Pieces of wood that are floating on the water is called driftwood. Cross currents. Currents of airflow across a room is called cross currents. Footprints means the impression left by foot or a shoe on the ground. Fireplace. A special space for a fire to burn in. Spyglass. Binocular or a small telescope. Question 2. The following words can be used as noun as well as verbs. Make two sentences of your own, using them as a noun in one and a verb in the another. A. Hold. We have to use hold as a noun and as a verb. Noun. She has a strong hold over her children. Here, hold used as a noun. Let me hold the bag for you. Here, hold is used as a verb. B. Value. We have to use the word value as a noun as well as verb. Do you know the value of this land? Here in this sentence, value is used as a noun. We must value our old people, for they have a lot of experience. Here, the word value used as a verb. C. Not. The word K-N-O-T, not, have to use as a noun and verb. There were many knots in the wire we had to brought. Verb. Can you please knot these two ribbons together? Here, not used as a verb. D. Travel. Noun. Train travel can be a very interesting experience. Travel used as a noun in this sentence. And now verb. I travel to regular foreign countries. Here, travel is used as a verb. Return. Noun. The return of the lost boy brought happiness to everyone. Verb. Please return the book to me soon. Here, return is used as a verb. Reach. Noun. Our goal was within reach when our leader gave up. Here, reach is used as a noun. Reach as a verb. Reach the appointed place on the time. Reach the appointed place on time. Here, reach is used as a verb. G. Knock. K-N-O-C-K, knock. As a noun. Snow White heard a loud knock at the door. Knock as a verb. We should knock the door before we enter a room. H. Attack. The word attack as a noun. The sudden enemy attack caught the people unawares. Verb. Animals do not attack unless they are frightened. Here, attack is used as a verb. Mark. M-A-R-K, mark as a noun. The tight elastic has left a mark on her arm, mark as a verb. The teacher asked Rohan to mark a swampy area neatly with chalk. Question 3. Given in a mixed order below are some good human attributes of the family. Pick out each from the box and write against each line that reflects it. Courage and daring, perseverance and positive attitude, foresight, family bonds, humanity and sensitivity, resourcefulness, knowledge and its application, cautiousness, etc. The father told Fritz the gods would make excellent bowls and spoons, and they cut them into various utensils. Here, resourcefulness, the attribute resourcefulness. B. After some days, Elizabeth informed that she wanted the family to move to a safer place. Here, cautiousness is shown. The attribute cautiousness is here in this sentence. Thinking ahead of winter, father decided to create a place safe from the elements. Here, foresight. D. Father taught the boys geometry and how to use triangles to measure big objects. Here, knowledge and its application. E. He believed his daughter was still alive after 3 years. Perseverance and positive attitude. F. 10 years had passed and the young boys grew to be young men and their parents were proud of them. Here, family bonds. G. Fritz felt that someone needed his help and he was determined to find the center, humanity and sensitivity. Write in your own words, question number 4. Write in your own words how the Robinson family made each of their homes. First home. Answer. The Robinson family's first home was tent on the island. They cut and spread armloads of grass to serve as their beds and soften the floor of the tent. Second home. Answer. Their second home was a tree whose trunk was nearly 40 feet in diameter. The branches were long and extended straight out from the trunk, making them perfect platforms for a structure. After determining the height of the lowest branch from the ground, they made a ladder. They discovered how to make candles. They also made a sledge to help them to transport materials. Third home. Answer. The Robinson family's third home was a cave. They curved out in the rock abutting their camping site. They made an opening on the smooth face of the rock. Then they cut windows of the rock to allow for cross currents of air and sunlight to enter the cave. They made 4 rooms, complete with fireplace. They hung a huge oil lamp at the top of the bamboo pole for light. This was their winter home, a place safe from the elements and a strong storage spot to protect themselves and their belongings. Fourth home. They used 4 strong trees growing in a square near one another as the foundation of their fourth home. The trees were of equal size, approximately 12 feet apart. Thus, they built another safe home. Question number 5. Expand the following ideas. Expand the theme in a paragraph or 2. And the topic for expansion: where there is a will, there is a way. Answer. This proverb means that if one really wants to do something, one can If we read biographies of great men and women like Albert Einstein, Marie Curie, Mother Teresa, Abraham Lincoln, we still find that it is their strong will which has helped them overcome great difficulties and setbacks and helped them find a way to achieve their goals. All of us wish to achieve many things in life, but we may not succeed. When this happens, we tend to blame our luck, our circumstances, and our fate. But if a student resolves firmly to achieve his or her goal and works towards it sincerely and wholeheartedly, he or she is certain to achieve success. If one comes across many obstacles and can't climb over it, one must walk around it. There is always way. If there is a will, there is a way. Second topic for expansion: courage and resourcefulness are the keys to overcome problems. When we talk of courage and resourcefulness, the first person that comes to my mind is the dancer and actress Sudha Chandran. Sudha Chandran, a Bharatanatyam dancer, did not let an accident come in the way of achieving her dreams. At the age of 17, she met with an accident which resulted in the amputation of one would have meant the end of dancing career. But Sudha took it as a challenge. With an artificial leg, she began to dance again. Today her story is the story of inspiration for many. We have only to look around us at the cancer survivors to realize how courage can help us overcome all odds and achieve our goals in life. We must never give up hope. If one way seems too difficult, we must think of the other ways available. All we need is renewed determination and effort, and we will finally succeed. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Please subscribe this channel more and more. Thank you.